Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna be doing a few parts, putting together a few parts of the Petamentor project. So what this project is that it's going to allow me to recycle plastic bottles into real 3D filament. That way I don't have to buy any more filament. Also, plus side, recycling. So with that, we're gonna try and just build with what I have here for now. I have a few parts. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna assemble the motor. So we printed out a few of these 3D printed parts. You just go on. All this information can be found at there's this cool guy who created this project, and I mean, I really like it. It's open source and free for everyone, so great job on it. So yeah, no, this is hot. I need M3 screws. He designed it with all M3 parts. Could be universal because no one likes inches and whatever the way the US does it. Imperial. So taking away from this. I kind of just want to go puzzle. Okay. We're just going to screw all these in. Or nickel. Or aluminum. Cheap. Non-ferrous. Well, not cheap. Non-ferrous metal. Yeah, so I can, with these two screws on, I can literally turn this motor. Good. It's not coming out. Not that I'm aware of. And yes, I know the print looks very bad. I had to adjust the Z height on this. It was too close to the bed. I don't know why it came like that, but whatever. Needed some recalibrating. It was good. Again. So. I really need the... Not good screwdriver. There it is. That's not the right bit for it. Oh, it's got the right bit on there for it. No, this one's a bit... Yep, too small. I Nope. They're not the right size. Try the small one then. Yep, that's fine. Don't need the big one. One from iFixit can adequately do what I need it to do for right now. I'm just kind of waiting on lttstore.com to have a screwdriver. It's decent. Nope. Now the reason the reason these need to be all flat. They can't have the other one because I want the motor to actually spin. It's gonna fit. This is gonna fit on it in some time, and then we want the axis to be free and not hit anything. So you got to buy these flat heads for doing that. Wait, is it just better if I just lay it flat? Trying to pick it up and do these? There we go. And the last one's in. Right. I'm kind of going for a Joker build theme where it's green and purple. Alright, so for this one. Actually, give me 1 second. I'll be right back. I gotta fix something on my stream. And we're back. So hopefully this works. We got our thing right here. It's all autofocus needs to autofocus. We got our 6 screws in the motor. They need to be flat against that. The next thing is the barrel that's going to go on it. Now these are going to use, again, 3mm. This guy designed it so that way it's yeah, 3mm. How to... That hole is stupidly small. First off, I'm gonna clear it out. A lot of stuff can be cleaned up. No. What? Now to clean up parts like really fast, you want to take your lighter. There, and most of the small strands, they just burn off, or they pull into each other from the heat. They pull into the main object. So, it looks a lot cleaner now. Next, we're gonna try and put this in the damn hole. Alright, I think that worked. There we go. Focus. 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 Autofocus. So the nut's in there now. You can see it goes right down there. It's a little bit more that way. But you can see it's in there. Let's try and put... See if we can go all the way through with it. Put my driver. Anything on my bench. Play that. How do I... Ah, there it is. Change it out for X. Yep. It's right in there. So if you can kind of see, like right there is poking all the way through, so that means it's through the nut. Because there's no way that that nut couldn't be in there and not be all the way through. Alright, so we can back this out a little. We can back it out all the way. I don't think this is the right one for that. I think this is the right one. By 12. If I'm mistaken. Try that. Yep, M3 by 12 works. You can see how it's you can see how it goes through, and that's what's going to hold. That screw is going to tighten onto this flat bar right here, and that's how we're going to have this stick onto there without it just rolling continuously. Alright. Let me back it out. We just gotta line that up like that. it in. All the way on. And you can see it lines right up with there. We could get screws that are a little bit bigger, but I wouldn't want the clearances to be there. And then we just tighten this bolt, or the nut, to the bolt to lock this down. Again, you don't want to go too tight, because then otherwise, oop, we already tight. You can wait. Let me throw it to the. You can hear the motor, which means that this is grabbing onto it. That's fine. That's good. We're all good with that. Right there. The motor is good. We are done with the motor right now. Eventually, we're gonna screw this down into some wood, but maybe not today. The next thing is what this thing does. Is going to be great. So we're going to have a spool that goes on here. You come on and off there. And this is going to hold the filament. So this is just going to wrap, going to pull the filament around it when it comes off of the hot end. So, what this project, well, I really explained what this project is fully. So, the idea of it is that we're going to recycle plastic bottles. It's going to we're going to cut the bottle out in a circular pattern, going all the way up in one strand. And then we're going to feed it into a hot end, and then we're going to get it out of a hot end, and it's going to roll itself up. And so that's kind of what we're doing. We're making the roller for after it extrudes, and it's all good. The part we're working on now is the roller. And so it should just slide on like that. But it's going to have another side to it. So that way it's a real spool, so it doesn't just, you know, as it's rolling, wrapping itself up, it doesn't wrap itself off the edge. Got an end to it. So for that, we're going to get some 3mm pieces again. Put the motor off to the side. Off to the side. Again, 3mm. And I believe these are 50. 3mm by 50. So, if you can see, there are 4 screw holes. Zoom in. There are 4 screw holes, one here, one here, one here, one here. And these have to go all the way through and attach to attach one side of this. Right head for nope. Kind of wanted one screw. Everything. Screw, or yeah, the correct they cover everything. Yep, that's it. Alright, I fix it. You have saved me once again. But are you long enough, though? That's the thing. I don't want to grab the first one I see and just try and... Well, I guess I should. About right. All we're gonna do is put it in, put it through, screw it through, and see if it just works. Oh. It's actually quite easier than I thought. Oh, this one does not go all the way through. Close, but no cigar. I need one size up. Wait, is this the largest size I... Largest size we have. That was the largest size we have. I'm gonna have to wait till... There's some... Maybe we can make it work. Okay, this is why I brought the drill. No. Just... Okay. Hey, what? That works. Okay. Well, whatever. At this point, I don't care. The 50mm one works. Yeah. Fine. Okay. So let me just get all 3 of these out. 3 of these out. 1, 2, 3 of those out. Then remove the things that can fall and probably seem real mad if they keep doing that and that. Alright. Actually, I don't want the nut on there, just... We're gonna push them all through before I come off. There we go. That's 2 in. Right. There we go. All right, and then the last one. Oh, there we go. Good on that. Put it back on. Small screwdriver, because we won't need this one probably anymore for a while. A long while, hopefully. We got those on. These on. Go. Just screw these on. And tighten them, because we will tighten them with pliers. I don't want to lose nuts doing this. Three. Alright, so my pliers right there. Okay. And again, I don't want to go too far with this plastic. If I tighten it too much, the plastic can give way to metal. Metal beats plastic. Okay, and the last one to tighten down. Alright, so this is good now. So this slides right onto this. And we're all good. Will it go this way? Will it? Oh no, it won't. It's one-sided. You see how the cutouts? Oh. You see how the cutouts right here for that are on that side only? And this side, it's just a complete circle. And how I need to really kind of fix some of this up, make it look nice. Go. Yeah, it'll only fit on that one way. So I don't need to worry about the bolts hitting the motor and causing issues. So there we go. Here's our motor. Honestly, should be this is all that spider webbing right there. Again, I fixed a lot of it right there, just doing that. Also gonna get rid of some of that webbing. Great, and there we go. Fit on here. Should be some kind of locking mechanism on here, though. Oh, that's why it's not even. There's a piece right here. Oh, it's leaning forward because this thing was leaning forward to me. think it's also because it's not bolted down yet. And if it's too much one way, I think it's heavy on this side. But once it's bolted down, it should work. And there we go. We got the motor all assembled. Motor part all assembled. So the spool gonna wrap around here once it comes out of the hot end. We got that done. All right, so we're good on that one. We're gonna put this right now. Next thing I'm gonna do, I think, put in some of the motor controls. We printed out 3D printed this case. Because there's supposed to be like a button that goes in here. And I have to wire it up at some point. Now I'm just figure out where everything goes on this. On this. It only goes on one way. Very annoying. Ooh, I wouldn't be able to spin anything. This one. Because this is supposed to go on the bottom of the wood. Oh, got it kind of set up, right? Issue. Need to be built at the same. And tonight, we're only some of it. I think one of these is this. I think we're gonna actually get through this one. We 3D printed this piece. Should just go right through. Here's oh, gotta go through that hole. Coming out. Auto focus, you garbage. There goes the red one. Just pull. Hey, there we go. Oh, you get out? Kind of. Alright, so if I ever wanted to just pull this out again, it snaps in, snapped out. So this part's done until we're ready for the next one. Part I really want to test out tonight is the heat block. So I'm gonna try these Everblit Bilt BILT. Whatever. I want to try one of these L brackets for the first time. Normally in the instructions it just says get an L bracket. It doesn't say which one. Just needs to hold the hot end. I've been dreading. Also, fine right. Yes, sir. Wrong block as well. Oh. Hope not. Too much. This is one of them. The one is producing. Not something. Producing. Here. So it looks like I'm gonna have to drill out this bit in. You need to screw it, well, not screw it in, but have it be screwed on the block, have the plate kind of right inside it. Then you just tighten this and you just tighten it. Go right through, tighten onto the L bracket. I'm gonna have to make it bigger. I'm gonna have to figure out how to attach the thermocouples without right now. So my journey with trying to build a we got the motor. The motor's all good right now. Not the only thing on it. We're gonna need to out next. Keep watch. And through a block of wood. Might as well be possible. I have to make the hole bigger. Block. Next time, when we do this, a whole lot of probably drilling. Until then, after guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.